It begins with a tickle, a warning, and then, boom, achoo, the mighty sneeze has struck again. But wait, what even is a sneeze? When something irritates your nose, like dust, pollen, or pepper, your brain says, evacuate immediately. So your body launches a high-speed air missile through your nose at up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most sports cars, and definitely faster than you running from chores. And did you know? Your heart actually pauses for a tiny second when you sneeze. So next time you sneeze, remember, your body just did a full-blown emergency drill. With style. Bless you. And subscribe for more brain-tickling facts.